Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer for those of you who are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite shoes to go walking and or running in. So let's just go ahead and start with the first pair of shoes that I have. These are the Nike Huaraches. I love this shoe. It is so extremely lightweight. It is super comfortable to go walking in or running. I just love the lightweight of this shoe. It's really comfortable. It has a thick sole at the bottom, so it makes it really comfortable. And then best of all, like the back part of the shoe is more, I don't know, like it's more like out. So whenever you put your foot in there, it's not going to be hitting like the back of your ankle. Love that. And I can literally like run. I say run, okay, I do like a walk run. I do about like 3.5 miles, and these shoes are super comfortable to do that in. However, with these shoes, because there's not really like a stretch in the shoe, you should go like up half a size. So these are a size 8.5 and they fit perfectly. And I think that is the most annoying part of all these shoes. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys the size of shoes that all these are in because they're all freaking different. So the Nike Huaraches, I'm an 8.5 in, right? Yep, 8.5. And they're super lightweight. I love them. Like I said, love these. These do not hurt the back of your ankle. So you can wear high top socks, you can wear the no-show socks. It's not gonna matter. Your ankles are gonna be fine in these shoes. Okay, now the next pair of shoes that I have, I love them to go walking, running in, because they are such a comfortable shoe. These are going to be the Adidas NMD shoes. These are another super lightweight shoe. I love them. I love that they have these. They give me like Yeezy vibes because of this little tab part of the shoe. I don't know shoe lingo, but I love them. I have them in like 5 different colors. So I have these pretty green ones, and then I have these super cute like nude pink. I love them, but these shoes come with a warning, okay? Because these shoes will kill the back of your ankle. Like, you have to wear a sock that is high enough to cover and protect the back of your ankle, because these shoes will destroy them. And I will say, like, the shoe in itself, it's so incredibly comfortable, but if you wear like no-show socks like I did the first time that I wore these, oh my god, I just wanted to take the shoes off. And I was like, this is so crazy. Like, how did they make a shoe so comfortable and so perfect to go walking in, but they completely missed the mark by freaking not thinking of the back of your ankle, or not taking the back of your ankle into consideration. I hate that about these shoes, but they're so comfortable that I freaking have like 5 or 6 pairs of these. Like, it's so crazy. And also, these shoes run really big. So these shoes are a 7.5. I am an 8.5 in the Nike Huaraches, but in the Adidas NMDs, I am a 7.5, and the shoe fits perfect. So I love these shoes. You can walk a while in these without getting tired. That's right. You can walk a long time in these without getting tired if you have the right socks on. So if you're not wearing the right socks, you'll probably last like half a block, and then the back of your ankles are gonna be like, what did I ever do to you for you to be abusing me like this? Like, they hurt really bad. Like, I was really shocked, but the shoe is comfortable, but protect the back of your ankles. Don't say I didn't warn you if you buy them. Just saying. Oh yeah, and Like these are these are also different. Like these are more like, I don't know, like cloth like versus these. It's like a little harder. And they even look a little different too. But they're both the same. They're both the Adidas NMD. And they both kill the back of your ankle. Makes me mad. But love the shoe other than that. Love the shoe. Okay, and last but not least, these are like my ultimate favorite shoes to go walking in. These are the ones that I gravitate towards all the time. They look a little bit more beat up than the other ones, but this is gonna be the New Balance shoes. These are so comfortable. These are probably my favorite. I saved the best for last. These are my favorite. These are an 8.5. They fit really comfortably. They are also a really lightweight shoe. They are so soft. And then this part for the back of your ankle is really cushioned, so you don't have to wear a particular sock with these. Like the back of your ankle will be protected with high socks or low socks. If you want to be nasty and wear no socks, I'm sure it's fine with these shoes too. They're so comfortable. I love them. I really love the color. This is my favorite color. It's like that minty color. And I actually took these to Disney World, and these were the most comfortable shoes. It's a little hard to find anything to match them with, so I wore them at Hollywood Studios. This was wearing like a Rex shirt, so it was so cute. But these are really comfortable. Like I said, I gravitate towards these the most. They are so soft. They have like foam at the bottom, super lightweight, super comfortable, and I don't know, these are just great. I don't know if it's just because like they're so broken in, they're so comfortable, but I love them. Love New Balance shoes. If you are looking for a good, comfortable pair of shoe to go walking in, these New Balance are my ultimate favorite. And I don't remember them being super expensive. I don't remember if I just got them on sale, but I think they were like $40. So definitely worth it. I want more. I want like a solid black pair, just so, you know, they're easier to match with things. These are my first choice because they're so comfortable, super lightweight, memory foam, back of the ankle safe. And then these are in second place for me. These are also back of the ankle friendly, super lightweight. The inside of the shoe was so comfortable. I just like I said, there's not really like a lot of give here because there's no like tongue on the shoe, so you really gotta, if you got a wider foot or a bigger foot, you may kind of struggle a little bit getting your foot in there. You can always size up for that, but definitely don't recommend buying these just like online without trying them on. Like go to the store, try them on. And then next, these are my third pick. These would be higher up on my list if it wasn't for the back of your ankle, but they are still high on the list. I have a lot of shoes, and the fact that these made the top list, like, it's great. I just need more high socks, you know? But I love them. These are just so lightweight. They're all so lightweight. They're all perfect to go walking and running in. But these are it. These are the goats to go running in. Yeah, if you have any recommendations on your favorite shoes to go walking or running or just working out in, let me know in the comments down below. I love buying new shoes, so let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.